Originating in Central Asia, onions are one of the three well-being crops enjoyed by people everywhere along with tomato and garlic. And the demand for this kitchen staple is increasing each year. Thinking about the onion seed business, it certainly appears to be one that can change the world. Onions are so popular we've even developed sayings about them. There's nothing quite like knowing your onion seed's essential for our future. Three main varieties of onion are cultivated, and these are easily recognized by color: red, yellow and white. These can be categorized into cold-resistant seeds, heat-resistant seeds and functional seeds. Cold-resistant seeds can survive the harshest winters. Heat-resistant seeds thrive in hot and humid regions, and functional seeds are those with higher yields and resistance to diseases. Stable seed raising fields. As all shareholders of a thriving onion seed business have learned, onions will need 2 years before developing seeds. This is because onions are biennial plants. Cultivating stable seed raising fields can take years of dedication and commitment. Onions must be planted and left in the ground for 2 years. Flowers and seed-bearing heads form during the late summer of the second season. Dry weather is preferable during the seed-raising season to ensure seeds of good quality. Farming machines and materials. Some farmers have developed exceptional seed quality through persistent innovation in farming methods. One farming company improves productivity through a patented system of seeding that optimizes the seeding process, minimizes waste and performs 5 kinds of work at once, automatically. An exemplary business of this kind is able to contribute greatly to a harmonious world. Development of new varieties. Through constant evaluation and cultivation of crops and seeds, a successful onion seed business can improve existing varieties of onion crops as well as consistently create new varieties. Onion seeds being cultivated through careful farming and seeding methods produce onions with excellent taste and flavor, and are able to grow in most environments. The grain size is even and yields are plentiful. Creating an onion seed business. Onions are a high-income crop. In countries like Korea, where many of the onion crops are cultivated through planting and nurtured by the older generations, there is scope for growing a profoundly new kind of onion seed business. Onions can be cultivated year-round, as general onion seed can be sown in April and other stronger varieties grown through the winter. The potential for international relations is great because seed can be sown at different times in other countries, ensuring a year-round business. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.